How to fix allow camera access missing on iPhone apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're trying to use the camera in the apps like Instagram, Snapchat or CapCut, but it's not showing up as an option, well don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings on your iPhone. And from there, simply scroll down and tap on screen time. And once you are here, simply go down and tap on content and privacy restriction. And here you can see the option labeled as allowed apps and features. So simply tap on that and here check if the camera option is turned off. And if it is turned off, simply turn it on to enable camera access. Or you can simply go back and you can disable content and privacy restriction altogether if you don't need them. And once you're done with that, simply go back to the settings main menu and from there simply scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now here in this section, simply scroll down and select camera. And here check if the affected apps like Instagram, Snapchat are toggled on. And if any are off, just simply switch them on to grant access. And if the camera still isn't working on those apps, you can try resetting the settings. To do that, simply go to the settings main menu and from there simply tap on general. Now here in this section, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And here simply tap on reset and then choose reset all settings. And here after you reset all settings, it will restore default settings without deleting your data including the app permissions. And if none of these steps worked for you, you can try offloading the app. So to do that, simply go to the general section and from there simply tap on iPhone storage. And here find the app and tap on it. And you can select offload app and this will remove temporary files but keeps your data. And after you have offloaded the app, you can simply reinstall the app and check if the camera works again. And that's it. By this, your camera should be working properly in all your apps. And that's all for the video. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.